came into the town of Wimberley because I had a gig at the Wimberley Inn and Bar. And Wimberley is a really small town in the Texas Hill Country, just about 3,000 people for a population. They got a nice little kind of walkable strip there. You can find a bunch of interesting stores, some knick-knacky stores, some antique-looking like stores. Generally, you can find a lot of places where you could just kind of hang out and relax, including just a short walk from that area is a creek with all these big old trees. Super relaxing and super nice to just have a seat there, walk along the little path for a little ways. Now, I came into the town pretty early today on this weekend, and I found some music pretty early happening at Los Olivos Market. Bob Slaughter was playing there. He was really entertaining and talented, and they got me on these barbacoa donuts, they called them. It was pretty damn good. Next up, I went walking around again, and I found this place called CreekHouse Kitchen and Bar. Super nice, open air. They had comfortable seating out there, so I just hung out there, and Hannah Rose was playing, so I caught some of her music. Eventually, I made my way to the Wimberley Inn and Bar. Now, this is a pretty cool place. Some of the locals were here. There were some visitors here. Some people staying at the inn, too.
Out in Mississippi, don't roll the way you used to roll. I don't go to the places I used to go.
So overall, this was such a nice trip into Wimberley. So happy to play a gig here in this area and to be able to spend some time just hanging out in the area and seeing the music that other folks are making. Now, I'm posting about my music and my musical experiences here on this channel, so hit that subscribe and the bell button to stay tuned on my posts. Let me know in the comments what else I should check out. And thanks for checking out this video, and I appreciate your support.
Roll the way you used to roll. The town that was there where that town ain't there anymore.